Welcome back, everyone. Today, I want to dispel the number one myth in business and marketing, which is this: if I only had more people who heard about my business, who know about my offer, then everything would be great. Now, for better or worse, most businesses and entrepreneurs or business owners tend to believe that if only people knew how great my product was, my offer, how high my quality was, then they would all flock to me. Well, the short story here is that quality is probably the worst differentiation factor, which you could learn more about here. So before anything else, be sure to like and subscribe, of course. But in any case, let's go ahead and jump right in to the reasons why generating more traffic and attention will not solve all of your business problems. Now, there is a ton to say about this topic, but just to keep it simple, I have actually narrowed it down to 3 analogies, so hopefully this makes it clear. The first analogy is Sears wanting more traffic. So maybe you're too young to know what Sears is, maybe there's still one in your area, but the point is that if a company like Sears says, oh, if only more people knew about us, if only more people knew about our sales, if only more people heard about us, then we wouldn't be going bankrupt. But the point here is that it actually has nothing to do with how many people know about Sears. In fact, tons of people know about Sears. The problem is that they don't have a compelling case. They aren't very differentiated. They don't have many unique brands or offers. And pretty much there's no special reason to go to them when there are plenty of other great options available. The next analogy is playing sports. So for example, when I was a teenager, I used to hate practicing.
But we talking about practice, man. What are we talking about?
Now, of course, if you are going to be good at playing a tennis match or soccer game or football game or whatever it might be, then of course, a big part of doing well in the game is practicing well and often. So anyway, the point here is that generating traffic and leads, that is the playing games part, as opposed to the marketing factors, which is the practicing. So just keep in mind that while literally everybody only wants to play in the games, in other words, they just want to generate more traffic, get more attention and eyeballs onto their offers and content or whatever, that kind of doesn't matter if the basis beneath it isn't solid. The next analogy here is hiring a personal trainer to help you with your health and losing weight, and then arguing with everything they tell you. Now, for better or worse, many people, when they hire a personal trainer, all they say is, I want to get big biceps and I want to have rock hard abs. Okay, that's fine and that's great, and that is a result of the hard work, but then the personal trainer will tell you, okay, great, well, you need to start eating this way. You need to start eating more protein. You need to start cutting more sugar out of your diet. You need to do more aerobic, anaerobic exercise, and cardio, and all types of other factors that are not just abs and biceps. Now, while some people might say, I don't care, I just want to focus on biceps because that's all that's visible. Okay, that's their right, I guess, but keep in mind that that personal trainer, they know what they're talking about. And once they help you to develop your diet, your sugar intake, your metabolism, your resting body rate, and things like that, then that will actually serve you much more towards your goals. And to tie that all back is that working on your biceps alone is aiming at traffic alone, because everybody says, oh, I just need more traffic. I just need more visitors on my website. I just need more people to see my offer and my ads and things like that. But just like with working on your biceps alone, that can only have so much of an effect if the foundation for your business isn't solid. And the main reason to not focus on your traffic is to hit the like button and subscribe below. If you learned something interesting today, it does help a lot. Do you think more traffic solves all problems? Or are there any points I missed? Let me know in the comments below. Well, that wraps us up for today. Thanks everyone for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.